Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix charging was on hold due to iPhone temperature on iOS 16. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to scroll it on, and then you have to search for battery, and then you have to tap on battery health and charging. And from here you have to turn the toggle off for optimized battery charging. You have to turn it off from here, and after that what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it on, tap on general, scroll it on all the way, tap on shutdown from here. Then you have to slide to power off from here, then you have to slide to the side, and after that what you need to do is just simply restart your device and then check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if palms like this there, then what you need to do is just simply wait for 40 or 30 minutes, because you have to cool down your device first, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if a palm salad is there, then what you need to do is just simply check your charger and check if it's verified from Apple or not. So you have to use best quality charger for your phone. So after doing all these things, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like them and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.